सो गुड मॉर्निंग ऑल. एक्चुअली आमी आयज जे हांगासर सेकंड कॅशू फेस्ट जे स्टेट फेस्टिवल म्हणून जे गव्हर्मेंटान डिक्लेअर केल्ले आसा तेचो आयज पयलो दीस आनी आयज आमी ओपनिंग सेरेमनी जो दवरलेलो आसा तो टेक्निकल सेशनाचो द्वारे दवरलेलो आसा. टेक्निकल सेशन्स मेनली कॉन्सन्ट्रेट केल्ले आसा जे जेतून इशू जे कॅशू आनी रिलेटेड टू कॅशू प्रोडक्ट्स इन्क्लुडींग फेणी, कॅशू कल्टिवेशन, मागीर कॅशू नट प्रोसेसींग, मागीर इंडस्ट्रियलिस्टांक कितें प्रॉब्लम येता, फार्मर्स ग्रोवर्सांक कितें प्रॉब्लम येता, ऑल दोज इश्यूज आर कन्सिडर्ड. आनी हांगासर आयज तेका लागून जवळ जवळ 30 एक्सपर्ट्स हे फुडले 3 दीस, आयचो दीस, फाल्यांचो दीस आनी परवाचो दीस, सकाळच्या दिसाक 2-2 सेशनां जातलीं आनी हे सगळे इशू जे आसा पळय ते डिस्कस जावपाचे आसा. सो पयले दीस जो दवरलेलो आसा तो कॅशू कल्टिवेशन, म्हणजे शेतकारांक कितें प्रॉब्लम येता कल्टिवेशनान कॅशू आनी ते कॅशू प्रोडक्टिविटी कशी वाडोवपाची त्याच्या संबंधीची आयज सेशनां आसा. फाल्यांची सेशनां आसा जी डेस्टिलेशन, फेणी डिस्टिलर्स जे आसा गोंयचे आनी तांकां कितें प्रॉब्लम्स आसा, म्हणल्यार तांकां मुट्टे मेळना जाल्यार तेंचे प्रॉडक्ट्स जे वेस्ट जाता, फॉर एग्जाम्पल कॅशू एपल वेस्ट जाता तेचो कसो यूज करपाक जाय. आनी तिसरे दीस जे सेशन्स आसा ती कॅशू प्रोसेसिंग्स आसा आनी त्या भायर न्युट्रिशनल व्हॅल्यू ऑफ कॅशू आनी कॅशू एपल्सा पासून जो मनशाक गरज आसा खावपाक, न्युट्रिशनल बेनिफिट्स मेळपाक जाय तेच्या बद्दल ही 3 सेशनां 3 दीस जावपाची आसा. सो हांव रिक्वेस्ट करता की सगळे जे गोंयकार आसा जेंकां इंट्रस्ट आसा जे कॅशू बद्दल आनी जे कॅशू ग्रोवर्सांक कितें प्रॉब्लम्स आसा जाल्यार तांकां ही एक बरी संद आसा, ऑपॉर्च्युनिटी आसा. 30 एक्सपर्ट्स डिफरंट फिल्डांतले आसा आनी फिल्डांतले म्हणल्यार फॉर एग्जाम्पल डायरेक्टर ऑफ कॅशू एंड कोको बोर्ड गव्हर्मेंट ऑफ इंडियाची जी इन्स्टिट्यूट्स आसा, मागीर डायरेक्टर ऑफ कॅशू रिसर्च कर्नाटक पुत्तूर, मागीर दापोली एग्रीकल्चर रिसर्च स्टेशन आसा, डायरेक्टर ऑफ एग्रीकल्चरांतले आमचे एक्सपर्ट्स आसा, ते सगळे येवन आज हांगा सेशनां घेवपाक आहा 3 दीस. सो सगळ्या लोकांक अपील करता की जेंकां इंट्रस्ट आसा तेणी येवचें आनी ही आमची सेशनांचो उपयोग करून घेवचो आनी आपले कॅशू जे इस्टेट्स आसा ते कशे डेवलप करूं शकता, कशी गोंयची प्रोडक्टिविटी कशी इम्प्रूव जावं शकता आनी रुरल इकॉनॉमी जी आमची गोवा बेस आसा, जी कॅशूचेर सगळे अख्खे रुरल इकॉनॉमी आमची जी डिपेंड आसा ती इम्प्रूव करची, इतलें हांव सगळ्यां कडेन मागता. आज इनॉग्रेशनाक आमचो रिस्पेक्टेड PCC आसलो, प्रिंसिपल चीफ कंजर्वेटर ऑफ फॉरेस्ट कमल दत्ता सर, आनी डिस्टिंग्विश आशिल्ले एडिशनल प्रिंसिपल चीफ कंजर्वेटर उमाकांत आनी CCF आमचो प्रवीण राघव आशिल्लो. त्याच बरोबर टेक्निकल एडवायझर जो DCCD जो कोचिनाचो जो आसा तो हुबळी सर आशिल्लो. भायले एक्सपर्टीज जवळ जवळ 15 जे 50% एक्सपर्टीज आसा ते भायले आसा. डॉक्टर हुबळी आसा, डॉक्टर दादासाहेब देसाई आसा, डॉक्टर MG नायक जो ऑथॉरिटी कॅशूचेर म्हटलें जाता कित्याक तेणी बरेचशे वरायटी डेवलप केल्ले आसा. मागीर डॉक्टर भिंगार्डे आसा, अशे बरेचशे सायंटिस्ट हांगा आयिल्ले आसा आनी जे कॅशूचेरूच काम केल्लें आसा अशा लोकांक आवडलेले आसा.
अनसिजनल पावस पडलो तितून कितें डॅमेज जाला?
डेफिनेटली क्लायमेटीक कंडिशनांक थोडो फार इफेक्ट जातात कित्याक कॅशू जे आसा पळय ताका मातशी गरमी जाय आनी जर फ्लावरींग स्टेजीचेर जर पावस पडलो जाल्यार डेफिनेटली इट वील अफेक्ट ऑन द यील्ड, म्हणजे सेटींग ऑफ जी फ्रुट्स जाता तेचेर मातसो इफेक्ट जाता. अदरवायज जर पावस जर धुके केन्ना फॉग जर जावना सारके जर वेवस्थीत कंडिशन जर आयले जाल्यार डेफिनेटली तेचो प्रोडक्शनाचेरय बरो फायदो जाता आनी प्रोडक्शन यील्ड वाडटा. थँक्यू.
I welcome you, sir. I also extend my welcome to Shri Nandakumar Parab sir, Managing Director, JFDC, who is the driving force of the team JFDC. I welcome you, sir. I would like to welcome Shri Amar Hebrekar sir, General Manager, JFDC. I welcome you, sir. In joy or sadness, flowers are our constant friends. A rose that speaks the language of flowers. No occasion is complete without a rose. So I request Mayuri to present the beautiful rose to our chief guest for today's function. Thank you, sir. Now I request Siddhi to present the rose to to our guest of honor, APCCF sir. I request Mayuri to present the rose to our next dignitary, CCF sir. Thank you, sir. I request Siddhi to present the rose to Dr. Venkatesh Hubale, sir. Thank you, sir. I request Mayuri to present the rose to MD, sir. Thank you, sir. I request Siddhi to present the rose to our General Manager. Thank you, sir. With this, I request now all the dignitaries on dais to kindly come forward for lighting of lamp. This auspicious ritual mobilizes enlightenment, knowledge, and wisdom. Thank you. Now I request our Managing Director, Shri Nandakumar Parab sir, to kindly formally give the welcome address.
Respected PCCF, Shri Kamal Datta sir, APCCF, Shri Umakanta sir, he is the Chief Wildlife Warden also, Shri CCF, Chief Conservator of Forest, Shri Praveen Kumar Raghav sir, Technical Advisors, Dr. Venkatesh Hubali sir, Principal Scientist, Dr. MG Nayak sir, then Deputy Director Dada Saheb Desai ji, our Deputy Director Sandeep Desai, Agriculture, all the farmers, cashew bidders, participants of these technical sessions, government offices, print and media, and ladies and gentlemen, very good morning to you all. First of all, on behalf of Goa Forest Development Corporation team, I welcome you all for this opening ceremony of technical session, a part of second Cashew Fest of Goa 2024 at this Kala Academy on first day of this cashew event. It is indeed a great and a proud moment for all of us that today amongst us our respected PCCF Kamal Datta sir as a chief guest for this today's function. I welcome you sir and thanks for accepting our request and gracing this special occasion and for your kind support and guidance, sir. I also take this opportunity to welcome our distinguished guest, our respected Additional Principal Chief Conservator of Forest and Chief Wildlife Warden, Shri Umakanta sir, and our Chief Conservator of Forest, Shri Praveen Kumar Raghav sir, for gracing this function. Thank you very much, sir, for your presence, which is motivational and inspirational. Dr. Venkatesh Hubali, Technical Advisor, is a retired Director of DCCD, that is Directorate of Cashew and Cocoa Development, Cochin. He is highly knowledgeable in the field of cashew and he is always ready to support and provide guidance to the GFDC as well as the cashew growers. Sir, I welcome you for this opening ceremony of the technical session and thank you very much for accepting our request also and being a moderator for this panel discussion going to happen on the topic government initiatives for cashew development and status of cashew sector in India. This will be the first session going to happen. It is a proud moment and very much happy to inform you that this year we are organizing the second Cashew Fest, which is a state festival. This time GFDC has focused more on technical sessions. So all these 3 days, 2 sessions will be conducted, scheduled. So I welcome Director Agriculture also, Neville Afonso sir, for this opening ceremony of the technical session. I welcome you, sir.
Thank you.
So all these 3 days, 2 sessions will be scheduled, and these sessions are considered on the basis of the issues, prevailing issues right now the Goa is facing, our farmers, cashew growers are facing. At the same time, distillers, Feni distillers, cashew processors, industrialists, what they are facing right now in Goa, same issues are dealt in the particular all 3 days technical sessions. Total 30 numbers of experts is going to deliver and participate in these technical sessions in 3 days. That is today, tomorrow and after tomorrow. They will be sharing their experiences, knowledge about the cashew and its products. At the same time, they will give you the mitigating measures in this session. I request you all to take this opportunity and interact with these experts, discuss your problems about the cultivation practices, selection of variety, and try to implement in your field. I welcome Shri Prakash Vedip sir, ex-minister of Goa State. I welcome you, sir, for this opening ceremony of the technical session, sir. All of you know that the main aim of our Cashew Festival is to provide a common platform to all the stakeholders, that may be cashew growers, Feni distillers, cashew processors, industrialists, then farmers, and the government departments, to bring them all together and to discuss the issues and to find out the solutions, and that solution should reach to the farmers. That is the main motto of these technical sessions, and to promote our cashew industry in the state of Goa. Without taking much more time, I once again welcome you all and all dignitaries which are on dais, farmers, participants who remains present for this session. Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you very much, sir, for addressing the occasion. Now I would like to invite our guest of honor, APCCF sir, cum Chief Wildlife Warden, to kindly address the occasion.
Very good morning to all of you present here. It's my privilege to be with you, Honorable Chief Guest of today's function, PCCF sir, and other dignitaries on the dais, ladies and gentlemen, media persons present, forest officers and staff, especially the representatives under the leadership of Principal Chief Conservator of Forest and MD and GM of the GFDC, who has taken this initiative to introspect the potential available, which is naturally available with Goa, to strengthen the department, to strengthen the GFDC, and try to find out what are the opportunities available and how best we could utilize our potential, which is still to be tapped. Therefore, this is the second year of celebration of this function, as most of you must be knowing, Last year was the first beginning, and Honorable Chief Minister of Goa has announced at that occasion that we will be celebrating as a state function. That's why we are here with you today, and you all have made it. That's a very opportune time, and the energy level which shows that your commitment, your cooperation with the department, with the GFDC officials is forthcoming. I'm really enlightened to see that there is a lot of support, moral support as well as otherwise. We will find that people amongst us who know this subject, they'll be contributing their best to make it happen, that the potential untapped as of now would be made possibly tapped, and we should strengthen further. So I, on this occasion, must congratulate the GFDC and welcome you all people. I would just make a remark that whenever such occasions are available with us, where we are participants, there should not be a dearth of applause. That I could see that the kind of clap was slightly lesser, which signifies that the amount of, the energy required for such function is slightly slacking. So I could request you, all of you, to give a big round of applause, so that warmth should be there. We lack the warmth. Your energy, we all should put together to synergize. Basically, every island of mind is having a lot of knowledge, information regarding cashew and other things. Today is the day for cashew, so I would request you all to be full of energy and contribute your part so that we could make it best possible, whatever we can do, whatever GFDC is intending to do, whatever Forest Department is trying to make this field for the realization of the potential for the best use of Goa. Thank you once again. Thank you.
Thank you very much, sir, for your most valuable and encouraging words. I would like to invite our chief guest, and it is my privilege to invite our chief guest to kindly address the occasion with his energetic, golden words and formally announce the opening of the 3-day event.
A very good morning to all of you. Dignitaries on the dais, Sri Umakant, Additional Principal Chief Conservator of Forest, Sri Praveen Raghavji, Chief Conservator of Forest, Principal Scientist from the Directorate of Cashew and Coconut Development, Cochin, our MD and GM of the Goa Forest Development Corporation, present Director of Agriculture, Dr. Alfonso, senior officers of the Goa Agriculture Department, and my friends, cashew farmers, distillers, other stakeholders in the cashew sector, persons of the media, representative of the media, dignitaries, ladies and gentlemen. I am very happy to be here and to welcome you all to this first technical session of the Cashew Fest. I am sure that with the interaction that you will have in these technical sessions, we have several technical sessions lined up for the 3 days, from today, tomorrow and day after. You will be benefited by the interaction and by the knowledge of the technical persons and the experts that we have called to interact with you. And for this reason only, we have actually lined up these technical sessions so that the stakeholders who are actually interested in the development of cashew sector in Goa are benefited from whatever we do in this Cashew Fest. As you know, this Cashew Fest actually started last year, and it has been declared as a state festival. And this is only the second year that we are celebrating this Cashew Fest. And already it has found some traction among the stakeholders of this cashew sector. and many things have been discussed. Last year also there had been some technical sessions and many decisions were taken. I do not know how far those decisions were implemented, but this year also again I would request you to again discuss among yourselves and among the experts how best to develop this sector. As you know, this cashew sector itself is suffering from many infirmities. There are certain trade issues, there are certain issues of production. Due to climate change, there is a drastic change or drastic reduction in the cashew yield this year. You all know better than me. There are certain trade issues also, import of cheap cashews from outside states, non-receipt of remunerative price by the cashew farmers of the state. There are other issues, wastage of the cashew apples, the issues with the distillers. So many things. We have to discuss among ourselves and we have to find out the best possible way how to develop this sector. That for this reason we have assembled here today, and I again welcome you warmly to this technical session, and I request that and I hope that you would be benefited by the discussions that happens here in these technical sessions. And I congratulate the Goa Forest Development Corporation for organizing such a beautiful function, and wish the GFDC and this cashew fest all success in future. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much, sir, for your motivational words. With this, we come to the concluding of our formal inaugural function. Now I request all the participants to break for a tea for 10 minutes. Now it's 11:03. At 11:15, we'll start the first session. Thank you.